The World Bank expected China to grow by just 0.1% or 2.3%, the lowest growth rate in this decade. Hong Kong has seen high profile protests that saw tourist arrival from the mainland China plummet over an 8-month period. The viral epidemic put additional pressure on the traveler sector to the withstand a prolonged period of the downtown. A drop in the arrival from the third country is more resilient during the previous month has also been cited as a concern. The city is already in recession, and Moody has lowered the city's credit rating. The worst economy affected from the outbreak are expected for Australia, Hong Kong, and China. There has also been a renewed increase in the protest activities as a hostile sentiments against the mainland China strengthen our fears of viral transmission from the mainland China, with many calling for the border ports to be closed and for all mainland Chinese travelers to be refused entry. Incident have included a number of the petrol bombs being thrown at police station, a homemade bomb exploding in a toilet, and foreign objective being thrown onto the transit rail tracks between the Hong Kong and the mainland Chinese border. Political issues raised have included concern that mainland Chinese may prefer to travel to Hong Kong to seek free medical help, which has since been addressed by the Hong Kong government. Since the outbreak of the virus, a significant number of the products have been sold out across the city, including face masks, infection products such as alcohol and bleach. An ongoing period of the panic buying has also been caused by many stores to be cleared of non-medical products such as bottled water, vegetables, and rice. The government of Hong Kong had its import of face masks cancelled as the global face mask stockpiles declined. In view of coronavirus pandemic, the Education Bureau closed all kindergartens, primary schools, secondary schools, and special schools until 17 February. This has been extended for multiple times due to the development of the epidemic until the Bureau announced that all schools would be indefinitely suspended until further notice. On 31st March, distribution has raised concern about the situation of students who are due to take examination at the end of the year, especially in light of the present protest related disruption that happened in the 2019. On 5th February, Flag carried Cathay Pacific requested its 27,000 employees to voluntarily take 3 weeks of the unpaid leave by the end of the June. The airline had previously reduced flight to mainland China by 90% and to overall flight by 30%. Macau on 4 February 2020, all casinos in Macau were ordered shut down for 15 days. All casinos reopened on 20 February 2020, but visitor numbers remained low due to the pandemic, with hotel at less than 12% occupancy at the end of the February. Japan's shelves in the pharmacy in Japan sold out of the mask on 3 February 2020. The Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has said that the new coronavirus is having a major impact on the tourism, the economy, and our society as a whole. Face masks have sold out across the nation, and the stock of the face masks are depleted within a day of new arrivals. There have been pressure placed on the healthcare system as demanded for medical checkups. Increasing Chinese people have reported increasing discrimination. The health minister pointed out that the situation has not reached a point where mass gathering must be called off. 1st February 2020, aviation, retail, and the tourism sector have reported decreased sales, and some manufacturers have complained about disruption in Chinese factories, logistics, and the supply chain. Prime Minister Abe has considered using emergency funds to mitigate the outbreak impact on tourism, of which Chinese national accounts for 40%. S&P Global noted that the worst hit shares were from companies spanning travels, cosmetics, and retail sectors, which are most exposed to China's tourism. Nintendo announced that they would delay shipments of the Nintendo Switch, which is manufactured in China, to Japan